I made these little cute migratory birds. Migratory birds. These are so cute little birdies. They eat food and then fly away. Migratory birds are the birds who migrate from one place to another in search of food. As the season change, they migrate. So the mama bird search for food and then they feed them. When the season changes, they fly away. Hello, this is me, Hania, and today I'm going to make these little cute magnet birds. Of course, I'm going to make this cutie. So, one more, just for another channel. Okay, now all we need is glue, googly eyes, and paper, and this little ball. We have so many balls. Okay, subscribe to my channel if you want me to make more, okay? So, I could send it on WhatsApp or YouTube. Okay, now you fold these. And now you take all the paper and fold this little magnetic ball. Now next, all we need is glue to glue the googly eyes on. Just open the glue. Okay. All we need is a little red tape for the mouth as the beak and 2 eyes for the eyes. You know, birdies or humans have 2 eyes. Okay, now the eyes and face are done, and now we need some chart paper for the wings our birdie could fly. So I got some chart paper and I made the wings. Okay, now I got some wing. I just taped it up. Now we need to put it on the birdie. Okay. Now how to put it is like this. Just make it like a cat and then we bend it later. Just later, okay? Hey, not on the eye, hey. The eye can get removed. Hey. Okay. Now let's just put the tape. What is sticking to me? Tape is real sticky, yes we know. Just like this.
Turn the wings. Turn the wings.
Okay.
And show me the face of the birdie.
Well, let me turn the wings.
Show the face.
Okay. Now, finally, our birdie is ready to go with the other birdies. Okay, now let's put it in. Okay. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe down below. Bye.